how to add report widget to dashboard in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just open up your dashboard and then click on the plus or the pencil icon here at the top right. Then click on the plus icon and then click on report. Okay, now here you can just click on add report and then just choose any of your reports from one of your workspaces. So I'm just going to select, let's say this one. Oh wait, this one. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, now here you can begin changing the options here, your maximum number of rows to display. If you want to toggle this on, so you can do that as well. Change your title, your widget behavior here, and then your viewer mode as well. Okay, so you can just play around with this however you want until you're satisfied customizing your widget. And then once you're done, click on save here at the top right. Okay, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.